What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy Kevin James. So we are back with another YouTube video, guys. So today's topic we're gonna do, as always, we're gonna do focus of the week. So you're gonna focus on Nasdaq. I'm gonna show you what I see is happening this coming week. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below, as it will update you whenever we upload a new video. So let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. So as you know, we like to start our analysis on a daily time frame, and then we break it down to smaller time frames. So the trend line that we've been having is something like this. So we've been having something like this. We've been having a touch here, and then we've been having a touch here, and then I think last week we had a third touch here. We had a third touch here. So this is a high probability trade. Whenever we have a third touch, we know as at FOREX goes that whenever we have a third touch, that's a high probability trade. So you don't want to miss out on that high probability trade. So let's just erase this. I was just showing you, I was just enlightening you what I see. So first touch, second touch, third touch, and then when we got to our third touch, price gave us a double bottom. So we saw that we are going to the upside now. So for the person who are trading, for the people who are trading your channels, we have strong channel that has been holding here. We've been waiting for a second touch around about these levels. So let's just make this to be more nicer. So we are having this major channel now. So the market, we are trading to the upside. So if the market can decide to break our channel, we know that 90% route is going to be covered. We're going to go to the downside. We're gonna break this trend line, and then we're gonna come to somewhere here. What do I mean by price gonna break structure? So break the structure means this channel is gonna be invalidated. So we're gonna have something like this, and then we're gonna have a retest somewhere around here, and then we're gonna cover our 90% route. So I was just showing you if you can have this scenario, but currently let's focus on the current price. Let's just focus on the current price. So let's erase this, and then let's just mark off our channel. So guys, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below. So let's get back to the charts. So this is NAS100. So let's go to our H4 time frame, my favorite. So this is my favorite time frame because I see good things in this. So let's just erase this. So the double bottom that I've showed you on your daily time frame. So let me just repeat on that. So I want to adjust this trend, but I think it's fine. So the double bottom that I'm talking about this double bottom which happened here. So we were falling like nobody's business now. So we came and supported at this regions, and then we pushed it upside, and then we created some kind of a double top, and then this showed us that right now Nasdaq is failing to push it upside. Before the buyers kick in, we wanna go and respect some our trend line on daily time frame. So we created some kind of a double top, and then after the double top we sold rapidly, and then we came and supported at this zone, and then after we've supported at this zone, Nasdaq gave us a clear direction that right now are pushing to the upside. So because we saw an H4 time frame, I think a daily candlestick showed us that right now we are creating some kind of we have a hanging man, which is your hammer. So I want to show you something real quick. So we had this hammer which showed us that right now we are pushing to the upside. We are going to the upside. So let's go back to the H4 time frame. So let's break it down, guys. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. So let's just make this to be visible. So we are having some kind of a double bottom when we get to this point. So we we are having some kind of a neckline around about here, which our Nasdaq respected our trend line because we put it upside, and then right now we are at a retest. We are at the retest on the falling wedge, and then we are pushing. So this is what we see happening on NAS100, as we talked about our previous video. Go and check our previous video that we were gonna break our falling wedge, and then we were gonna wait for a retest on the neckline, and then we're gonna come back to respect this, and then we're gonna put it upside. So what I'm seeing currently, I'm seeing a level of a significance around about here. So let's just erase this. Let's just erase this. So it's fine. So the falling wedge that I'm talking about, we have been on a selling mode. So I'm talking about this thing around about here. So as always, guys, if we can break our trend line, we wanna wait for that certain stocks that you're trading, or your certain currency pair, or whatever the case. We're gonna wait for a retest on our trend line, or whether your neckline. So we're gonna wait for a retest, and then we're gonna take buys as it's going to the upside. So we're gonna take buys as it's going to the upside. So I see a strong level of resistance somewhere here, which was broken. So this is what we see. On NAS100. We had a double bottom structure. So let's just create a structure which we are seeing. We had a push to the downside. We came and touched our trend line, which we created the first low, and then we pushed further down, and then we created the second low. But on the second low was something interesting. We created a double, where we came and created a double bottom structure. So the market failed to break this region when it made a turn here. We failed to have something like this. So the market gave us a clear direction that we are failing to break the low, and then right now we are pushing to the upside. So we came and respected. We didn't come to this, and then we started creating some kind of a double top. A double top is your strong reversal pattern, and then we were pushing further down. So from here we created some kind of a W. As you can see, this is a huge W. So if you see a W in the market, it shows you that right now we are pushing to the upside. So whenever we came to this point, we saw this as a high probability trade, because there's a strong level of support which we cannot pass and break the structure of NAS100. So the structure has been holding for quite some time now. So we came and created your double bottom, and then we had another bottom. So it told us that right now we are pushing to the upside, and then we waited for a lower price, and then we took this trade, and then we pushed to the upside. So I think on Friday we had a huge sell on NAS100. The sell, it was because it wanted to come and respect our neckline and our trend line, and then we are pushing to the upside. So this is a high probability trade. When NAS100 opens midnight, you want to focus on buys, not sells, because right now we are on a selling mode, because we have broken structure of sell. No more sells. Right now we are pushing to the upside. So let's just erase our drawing. And then let's go to your 1 hour time frame. So I think this thing, it doesn't. So let's just do this. So we had a double bottom on our trend line. So on our trend line we had a double bottom, and then on our support we saw a double bottom thing. So the market was simply telling us that right now no more sells, we are going to buy this. So we are done with sells, and then right now we are taking buys. We are taking something like this. So we are taking buys. The market is trending to the upside. So your strong level of resistance is somewhere around here. So this is what you want to focus on. Lately we want to create a small, we are trending to the upside, and then the market is gonna print structure as it's going to the upside. So it hasn't yet created a structure on your support trend line. So we still have our resistance trend line, which we're gonna create a friend for the support for your resistance trend line, and then we're gonna push to the upside. So if Nasdaq can break another entry, if Nasdaq can break this, you know that you are waiting for a retest depending on your structure, and then you're gonna take buys as you're going to the upside. I know that we're gonna cover this because this is our 90% route of NAS100. So we're gonna cover this. We are coming to this level. This is what I'm gonna be focusing on. I'm gonna be focusing on buying NAS100 until it gets to this point. So let's simply just go to your 1 hour time frame. So on your 1 hour time frame, we are seeing some kind of a consolidation, which we know that this consolidation, it's your double bottom on major time frames. So let's just make this to be huge. Let's just make this to be huge. So as you can see, the market right now, it's closed losing. We were having a retest on our trend line, and then we're kind of losing momentum. If you can take a look at this is your double bottom. We came to our neckline and touched our neckline with a double bottom, or we touch our trend line, our trend line with your double bottom, and then we touch our support with your double bottom. So your double bottom that I'm talking about, let's just simply erase this, and then, because we know that there is a strong level of resistance which was broken to act as support currently. So we are having this. So if you can look clearly, we are having some kind of a double bottom. So when market opens midnight, we're gonna focus on buying. We're gonna take buys. So this is your double bottom. If you can go to your 5 minutes, that's where it's more and more clear, more and more clearer now. So let's simply just go to your 15 minutes. Yes, you see, this is your double bottom structure. So your first take profit is gonna be somewhere here. We're gonna monitor this trade. How does it get to your resistance? Somewhere around here. If it breaks this resistance, we know that we're gonna wait for a pullback, and then we're gonna kill it as we are going to the upside. So let's just go to your 1 hour time frame, and then let's go to your H4, because we are done with what we are expecting NAS100 to climb the mountain. So let's kill Nasdaq as it's going to the upside. So that's it for today, guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle, it's Kevin_James. So but before we go, let's just go and, so this is a bonus. Let's go and check your goal. So we're not gonna dwell much on gold. We're just gonna monitor your structure. So let's simply go to your 1 hour time frame, because on 1 hour time frame, I see something powerful on your 1 hour time frame. Yes, it has broken it. Let's just start by daily time frame. I want to show you something real quick, because we've been monitoring gold. For those of you who didn't watch our previous videos on gold, simply just go and watch that video on gold. So we've been having this. We knew that if you can break our trend line, our resistance trend line, let's just simply, our resistance trend line, we know that we are waiting. Right now we have broken our resistance trend line, and then we are waiting for something like this, and then we're gonna take a buys as it's going to the upside. But it doesn't convince me that right now we are pushing to the upside, because of the structure which it has printed on gold. So let's just go and to your H4 time frame. So I'm not gonna be involved in gold right now, because I want to wait for it to create structure, but I'm gonna involve in it only if it can give me nice setup. So don't force a trade, guys. If it doesn't give you nice setup, don't trade it. After all, it's your money. If you're not trading, you're not making money, and then you're not losing money. Simple as that. So always make sure that you're having more information on what you are seeing. So this is a strong level of resistance. So the reason why it's not convincing me is because of the structure which is currently printing right now. Here I see some kind of a rising type of structure. I'm seeing something like this. So for me to be involved in this setup, I wanna wait for gold to come and respect this, give me a triple top. That's where I'm gonna take it as it's going to the downside. If this entry doesn't work out, I know that I'm gonna wait for it to break structure somewhere around here. Let me just erase this because it's playing with our missing our setups. So first trade, I'm gonna, if gold can come here and give me a little bit of rejection, that's where I'm looking to sell this. And then where I'm looking to sell again, if it can break this trend line and give me some kind of a retest, that's where I'm willing to be involved in this trade. So I'm gonna take my profit somewhere here. But if you can get here with a low momentum, with a little bit of consolidation, that's where I'm gonna be out of this trade. But if you can break this, we know that we're gonna have a major sell as it's going to the downside. So let's just monitor what is going to happen on this. So for those of you who are going to follow me on Instagram, will be updated about the setup of this gold. Are going to be updated about the setups of gold. So right now I cannot conclude on gold. So in terms of buys, I'm looking to buy gold as soon as we break this, because this is a high level of resistance. I'm looking for buys as we break this, and then we're gonna come for a retest. That's why I'm looking to buy. But right now I'm waiting for it to give me a setup, a sell setup. So I'm looking for sells, not buys, because I think gold, it's where we're gonna a lot of buyers are gonna be trapped because they're thinking that gold is going to the upside, but actually what is happening is breaching the structure of sell. So this is what I'm seeing as I'm seeing gold dropping. But if it can decide to validate, not fulfill my setup on sales, I know that I'm waiting for gold to break this, and then I'm gonna wait for it retest, and then I'm gonna take buys as it's going to the upside. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Kevin_James. So that's it for today. Peace out.